Do you know what an autoencoder is?
Autoencoders are a super cool neural network architecture that is able to compress high-dimensional data into a lower-dimensional space called the latent space.
The network is composed of two parts, the encoder and the decoder.
The encoder purpose is to produce a vector which length is smaller than the input, while the decoder takes the decoder input and tries to reconstruct the original input. When we train an autoencoder, we force the input to be as close as possible to the output. By doing this, we force the network to learn how to map input points into a lower dimensional space that represents the underlying nature of the input distribution. Think about all the possible images that we can create with a set of 100 by 100 pixels.
What's the probability that picking one of these images it will be the picture of a face? Pretty low, right?
In fact, most of these images are just noisy images. We can train an autoencoder on images of faces to model a latent space that contains only images of faces. This lower dimensional space, also called a manifold, is very interesting, since if we sample a random point from this space and feed it to the decoder, we will probably get a random non-existing face.
Isn't it cool?